Next episode, we will try Mango Sago Panna Cotta. Panna Cotta is Italian dessert means whipped cream. And to add a Filipino touch, we will use fresh Philippine yellow mangoes and Sunshine Big Sago. Sunshine Big Sago is always available in the market and halal certified. Now let's begin. Wash your hands, make sure they're clean. The ingredients are fresh Philippine yellow mangoes, brown sugar, water, all-purpose cream, milk, fish glue, and cooked Sunshine Big Sago. This is how you cook Sunshine Big Sago. Boil sago for 15 to 17 minutes and stir. Remove from heat and rinse. Soak sago in water and put it in the ref for 12 hours or more. Boil sago again for 10 minutes and stir. Remove from heat and rinse. Soak sago in water and put it in the ref for 3 hours until there's no more white in the middle. Summer, let's go cook the mango sauce! Yes! Now we need the mangoes, but put it on a heated pan. Next, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Three, and then mix. Smells very yummy. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes and then set it aside. Now let's cook panna cotta. We need half liter of milk. Then some cream. Okay. Then 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And then we whisk. Whiskey. What do you do? We whisk. After whisking, let's turn on the fire and put it on low. Before it boils, I'll add the fish glue. Okay, Summer, now mix please. While Summer is mixing, I'll prepare the mold. We will add some sago.